Hey everyone, today we're diving into Nextiva, a popular business communication platform. If you're looking for a reliable tool for calls, video conferencing, SMS, and customer management, this review is for you. I'll cover pricing, features, hidden details, and even show you how to get a demo. Stick around to learn all the pros and cons of Nextiva. Main content. What is Nextiva? Nextiva is a cloud-based business communication platform that combines voice calls, video meetings, SMS chat. Nextiva is a cloud-based business communication platform that combines voice calls, video meetings, SMS, chat, and analytics. It's designed for small to medium businesses, as well as large enterprises. Pricing plans: ROND, Core $15 instead of $23, save 35%. For growing teams, everything in Core plus live chat, AI chatbots, MS Teams integration, advanced reporting. Power Suite $50 instead of $75, save 33%. For sales and service teams, everything in Engage plus inbound call center, priority routing, supervisor dashboard, ACD callback. There's also a monthly subscription option and an enterprise tier, all shown in the video. Pros of Nextiva. Dadnan, easy setup, no hardware needed. Dadnan, flexible pricing with great discounts. Dadnan, multiple integrations, MS Teams, CRM, etc. Omni-channel support, calls, SMS, chat, video. Cons of Nextiva. I've high regular pricing, especially for small businesses. Some advanced features locked behind expensive tiers. Limited analytics in the basic plan. Chat and analytics. It's designed for small to medium businesses as well as large enterprises. Pricing plans. Core $15 instead of $23, save 35%. For small teams. Includes inbound-outbound calls, business SMS, video meetings, screen and file sharing, call routing. Instant setup, no hardware required. Engage $25 instead of $50, save 50%. How to get a demo. On Nextiva's website, click Get a Demo. Fill out the form, and they'll call you or send a trial access link. So Nextiva is a powerful business communication tool, but choose your plan wisely to avoid overpaying. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Do you use Nextiva or are you looking for alternatives? See you in the next video.